kid's soccer league. I'm here to pick up a check. He just stole my ZR1.
What, 5 days?
A little bit longer than that, but you did get $100,000 for it. And after your commission, you owe me $75,000.
That's right.
It'd be great if I could get the check now.
Get on, Larry.
No, I'm talking for Liddy.
But I'm late for my kid's soccer.
Get on, Larry.
Check out to Marius Josipovic,
You're welcome up.
Josipovic.
You're welcome up, Joe Daddy.
You did?
Hi, Bob. You awake?
Pouring more sugar on it, but that's not too far off.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Look at that tongue, Bubba. That tongue is out.
I'm gonna bring my car.